What are the best cups for gliding? My two favorite cups for gliding are going to be the Edge Cup and the ZEN Cup. The ZEN Cup is more thimble shaped and has a longer handle that I can use to glide the cup. I can go in different directions. I can twist like a doorknob. I can zigzag. I can create circles, but I love the ZEN Cup because it has a wide base and really gets that tissue suction going on under the base of the cup. The ZEN Cup comes in two different sizes, so depending on what area I'm treating, I can choose between those two sizes. The Edge Cup comes in 4 different sizes. I love this cup for treating almost every area of the body. The 4 different sizes are wonderful. I can use the smaller sizes to treat smaller areas of the body. I can use the larger cups to treat larger areas of the body. Quick and easy, I'm just going to squeeze this cup, place it on the body, let go of my squeeze, and then I can drag that cup around. Again, I can perform circles, I can perform zigzags, I can twist it like a doorknob, and all I'm doing is literally going over the areas of muscle tension or muscle knots, and the cups are lifting and separating and stretching that tissue, restoring movement, and reducing pain all at the same time.